Hello, Messi. Well, so on your screen, what we can see your browser. So your browser is what we can see right now. Is that what you intend to show?
Any instruction of what to show yet. So that's why
Oh,
I
okay.
don't know what I'm supposed to display. But
Yeah.
if it's the
Yeah.
classroom, and if it's the Google Sheet, which we were
Okay.
working on, this is it. So I'll
All right.
just
Yeah, I think you can stay in the classroom for now. Thanks a lot. Yeah, thanks for helping out.
welcome, sir.
All right, now I can answer your screen. Okay.
All right, sorry for that. I need to switch my network to a better network. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Can hear you.
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
We
Okay,
can
so
hear
I'll
you,
be,
sir.
okay, so I'll be using Lawan.
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay, all right, thank you. So I'll be using Lawan screen for today's class. So Lawan, can you go to the back and let me see where we stopped? Okay. All right. Okay, so can you go to the business case? So we stop at sales trend. So we have to answer. So we have to answer the sixth question. How many retailers do we have? Okay. All right. So let's go back to your back end to answer that question. So you need to copy one of the pivot table. Look for a pivot table and copy. All right. So click on the pivot table, inside the pivot table. So let's go to pivot table analyze. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I don't have the pivot table analyzed here. I don't know where it is here.
You're using Google Sheets.
Yeah.
Oh. I'm not really familiar with Google Sheets. I can see. Okay, who else with this login with the system, please? Or
I
do you have
have
Excel
on
sheet?
my Excel sheet, but
Okay, let's use of Excel then.
come on. So this is what
Okay, all right. Okay. So let's go to the business case.
Submit the application.
Oh, it wasn't cleaned.
so this is the analyzed part. Excuse my word.
Okay, so let's answer the question. Yeah, how many retailers do we have? So let's copy a pivot table.
I already copied. It's already
Okay.
copied.
All right. So go to where you have the pivot table field at the right. Yeah. So go to rules, remove the product and the. So how many retailers do we have? So bring down retailers to where we have rules. Drag it to where we have rules. Okay. All right. So come to cell C103. Cell C103. Okay. So you're going to use, so for us to know the number of retailers we have, we can't just highlight it then count it. So we have 6 retailers there. So for you to make it dynamic in such a way that when you apply filter to it, it's going to change. So that's what we call dynamic, to make it dynamic. So for us to achieve that, you are going to use the count function to do that, right? So you enter equal count. Sorry, count A. So highlight everything. Close the bracket. Then you put -2. And I hit on enter. All right. So you see that we have 6 retailers. So the reason why we are having, okay, can someone tell me why we are putting -2 at the end of the function?
Yeah, because hello.
I can hear you.
Yeah, she highlighted row labels and grand total. She was supposed to highlight only from Amazon to Westgear.
Okay. Yeah. I'm asking why do we put -2 at the end of the function?
Yeah, because she's not supposed to add the column name and the grand total. So you
Okay.
might there are two. You have to minus the those ones that she added.
Okay. All right. That's true. All right. So move to the next question. So Lawan, can you go to your business case? So the next business case is how much is our revenue? So the company is interested to know how much did we make. So let's go back to our back end or our analyze. So you copy any pivot table. So you click on the pivot table.
I'm on the pivot table.
Oh, no, as in click on it, don't let it be like, don't highlight it, just click on it. Okay. Oh, sorry, I zoomed in. All right, so you bring down revenue to where we have values. Revenue to where we have values. Okay, now, so that is the revenue the company made. So we need to call it out. We don't need to keep it inside a pivot table. The reason that when you are making reference to, when you're building a dashboard, they need to call it out, like make a reference to that particular cell. You can't make a reference to it because it's in a pivot table. So for us to get the data from the pivot table, we are going to use the equal function to do that. So you click on cell A7117, say 117. No, come down, yeah, down, yeah. So equal. So let's reference the cell A115. Just click on it, yeah. Then hit on enter. So let's quickly do some formatting. So you go to number, click on the drop down where you have general. Okay, all right. Click on the number where you have general. Click on the drop down. You know percentage. Click on the drop down.
I already clicked on the drop down and I clicked on numbers.
Yeah, click on accounting format. Accounting format.
Sorry, I can't see counting format.
Oh, so accounting. Sorry, sorry, accounting.
What's happening?
All right. So for you to change the currency, let's assume you want to change it to dollar. You click on the drop down close to the dollar icon, and then pick any currency symbol of your choice from there. So that's how to do that. So let's quickly turn it. Okay, perfect. That's how to change the currency symbol. So let's move to the next question. So how many products do we currently have? All right. So the company want to find out how many products do they have in stock, right? So how many products do they currently have? So the same procedure we use for retailers, they're going to use the same to find out how many products we have. Chizoba, can you please mute? Okay, I think it's your network. So let's copy. Have you copied that?
Yes, I am.
So let's look for where and paste it. Looks like paste it somewhere.
I just prefer.
We could just pasted it. Okay. All right. So how many products do we currently have? So let's go to click on the pivot table. So let's go to, okay, so remove, okay, all right. So bring product to where you have rows. Products to where you have rows. Okay. All right. So I think this data set is not cleaned. So let's just continue this way. So let's use the count A function to do the number of products we have. Let's use the count A function to do that. So you go to cell B121. Okay, that is okay. So equal count. Okay, voila will come to you. Count A. The count A function. So I like everything. Voila. Okay, I like everything. No, no, no. Okay.
So sorry. So when I highlight everything, am I supposed to highlight the row labels and the grand total, or I exclude it from the highlighting?
It's optional. It's optional. So I'm doing that in case you have a longer data set. So for you to put -2. So you can choose to highlight from cell A122 to cell A129. So the reason I say you should highlight the row labels and the grand total, in case you have a longer data set, so you won't be able to highlight just the first two alone.
Noted.
Okay. So you close the bracket and put -2. So we have 8 products available. So we move to the next business case. So how many cities can we find our products? So this is the same question like how many, what they're trying to say, how many cities do we currently have? How many cities are selling our product? So how many cities can we find our product? So that's what they're trying to find. They want to know how many cities are selling their products. So you bring city to rules. All right. See, so this is the reason I say you should highlight put -2 at the end. So you don't need to start dragging everything, start highlighting everything. So you need to highlight it to the end, then put -2. The same procedure we did for product and retailers. So you can put, okay. So we have 52 cities. So we move to the next business case. So how many units have we sold so far? So how many units have we sold so far? Right, how many units have we sold so far? So we are going to take units to where we have values. So we are going to take units to where we have values. So the company have sold 2.something million units so far. So this is unit. So you don't need to put decimal unit. So you can't say you sold 2 point something point 0 cent unit or 0.0 kubo unit. So when once it comes to unit, so you don't put decimal. Okay, all right, you are free. So the same procedure we use for revenue, you're going to use the same for units sold. So let's call that out. Let's get the data. So you go down to cell A197. So equal cell A193. Okay, enter. So let's quickly format that. So just click on the comma field. So let's move decimal. We don't need decimal since it's unit sold. All right, perfect. So the next business case. Oh, pick this. Okay. This data set was updated, not to include pick this. So this data set was updated. So we'll stop there and answer question from Buala. Hello, Buala.
Okay, good evening.
Good evening.
Thank you so much for the class. Okay, I just need to understand how you answer because I came quite late. So I wanted to understand how you answered for this number 6 and 7.
Okay, 6 and 7.
No, sorry,
Okay,
7 and 8. Yes, 7 and 8.
7 and 8.
Yeah.
Lawan, please, can you check business case for 7 and 8? Okay, how much is the revenue? Okay. So please go back to your analyze, please. Okay, so let's quickly work that to show her. So you need to copy any pivot table. So Lawan, please, let's quickly work that for her.
Okay.
All right. So for you to know the number of revenue you have, so you need to move revenue to where you have the value rules. So move revenue to values, not rules, revenue to values. Revenue to values. So that's how to find out values. So if you want to check numerical data, anything that has to do with the numbers, you move it to rows. Anything that has to do with category or text, you move it to rows. Anything that has to do with numbers, you move it to values. Is that okay?
Okay. Okay.
All right.
Yes.
Okay, so to the next question,
So that okay.
the number 8, right?
Yes.
Okay, Lawan, please, let's go to number 8 question. How many products do we currently have? So again, you need to copy a pivot table. You need to copy any pivot table. You copy it, you find a place and paste it. You find a place and paste it. Then the question is, how many products do we currently have? So you need to drag product to rows, not values this time. You need to drag it to where you have rows and drop it there. They use the count a function to count it. The reason is that for you to make it dynamic. So when you are using filter to apply it, it will be changing according to your filter, right? You can't just count it and then write 6 or 7. So you need to use the count a function to count it. So you say equal count a. Chibuku, I think it's a network. So you need to highlight you need to highlight everything on that pivot table. Close your brackets and you put -2.
Sorry. Okay. I just want to be sure. Count A is for is it not for counting blank spaces?
Yeah, it's the count number of that are not blank.
Okay. Okay.
All right. I hope I answer your question.
Yes. Thank you. I understand now.
You're welcome.
Thank
So
you.
Chizoba.
So, does I have one more question, please?
Okay,
Sorry.
okay.
Okay, thank you so much. And this one is concerning yesterday because I wasn't sorry the last class because I wasn't able to join. I just want to be sure of like how will you know the particular charts to use? Like if you want to use column chart, want to use bar chart, and I know that line has to do with like week if it's week or year, but bar chart, column chart, I don't know how, and pie chart as well. I don't know when you are supposed to use it.
Okay, all right. So if you want to check let's start with pie chart. If you want to check a category of an O, like a percentage of an O, let's assume sales method where you have outlets. Please, can you go back to the data? So let me check. So we have outlets, in-store, and okay, outlet, in-store, and one that call I think is 3. So you need to use your pie chart for that. If you want to check, let's assume gender between male and female, you need to use your pie chart for that. So it depends on the question. Each chart is each question has a chart you need to use it to answer. So you want to check percentage of an O, let's say percentage of marital status, married, single, divorced, widow, and so on. So you can use pie chart for that. But the chart should not be more, the slide should not be more than 3. The category should not be more than 3. If it is more than 3, you can use your you can use your column chart for that. If it's more than 3, you can use your column chart. If it's less than 3, if it's from 3 and 2, you can use your pie chart or your donut chart for that. So to use between the bar chart and the column chart. So let's go back to analyze, please. So now to use your pie chart to use between pie chart not pie chart, column chart or bar chart. The category name, the category name must not overlap, meaning that it should not, sorry, not overlap. There should not be any ellipses in your category names. So let me explain that to you. So Lawan, please click on the labels on the pivot table for product. No, come down. Just click any product name there.
I'm sorry, I don't get it. Here?
Okay. Yeah, just click anywhere inside the pivot table. Okay, yes, there. So let me explain that for her. So you go to insert, recommended charts. Oh, I can't see anything. So click on that. No, click on click on the column chart. And click on OK. On the column chart. Well, I can't see your chart from here.
It's not displaying any chart because there's no figure in front of this
Okay.
thing. So it's not gonna
Yes.
plot.
Sorry, yeah, that's true. So let's quickly bring in a figure to explain better for her. Thank you, that's true. So let's bring in price per unit or revenue. Okay. So let's go back and bring in the chart. Okay, now, so if you are using a column chart, so this is how your chart is going to look like. You are using a column chart. This is how your chart is going to look like. So your chart, your category names must not be italic and must not overlap, right? So in such a situation, you have to use a bar chart. In such a situation, you have to use a bar chart. So you must check the category names. It must not be italic, there must not be ellipses, and it should not overlap, right? It should not break to the next line. So you should not break to the next line. So that's the reason why you need to choose the chart type here. So to answer this question using chart, you're going to change it to the bar chart. So let's check how perfect it will be using the bar chart. Okay. So this is how it is. So this is how your chart is going to look like if you use a bar chart. As you can see, there is no ellipsis, there is no italic, it doesn't overlap to the next line. So that's how it is. So you need to check to know the category names should not be longer. All right. Voila, did that answer your question?
Yes.
Okay, Chizoba.
Hello. Please, can you do this number 3 and 4?
Number 3 and 4.
Yes.
Okay. And that one, please. Let's check number 3 and 4. Okay, top 5 three cities with the high revenue. Okay, yeah, here you have to use filter. That use filter to filter it out. Use filter. So can you do that? So let's quickly work on that. So let's separate sheet. I think sheet is becoming. So top 5 cities with high revenue. So you click on any city. So any city, click on any city. Okay, yeah. Then you right click So you go to filter. Filter, you click on top 10. So they say top 5 cities. You need to change the 10 to 5 and hit on OK. So you can see our top 5 cities there. So for you to find out that you need to use the filter function. Sorry, we need to use filter to find out the top 5 city or the bottom 5. Right? If they say bottom 5, the same procedure, you change the top to bottom to find out the bottom 5. We want to change the top 5, you change it from bottom to top. So that's how to do that. If they say top 10, you change the 10 to top 10. If it's top 20, you change the 10 to 20. If they say top 2, you change the 10 to 2. So that's how to do that. Did that answer your question, please?
Yes, thank you.
Okay, the second question was what, please?
Number 4.
Number 4. That one, please. Let's go back to number 4.
It's still the same process.
Yeah, see the same process with number 4.
Mm.
Yeah, see the same process with number 4. You see the same process with number 4. Right. So any other question? Isabel, can you please mute? Yes, at least the class is being recorded. So any other question? All right. So since there's no question, we need to move next to build our dashboard. So move next to building our dashboard. So we need to create a new sheet for that. We need to create a new sheet for that. So our dashboard is in the reports. Our dashboard is in the share stage. We are now in the share process. So we have finished the analyze process. We are now in the share. So this share means that we want to build our dashboard or we want to build our reports and bring all the charts together. So it will be easier for our stakeholders to go through the reports, not keeping it like this in the back end. So we need to bring all the charts together in one page. So you call it a report or you call it a dashboard. So we need to create a new sheet.
I just did.
All right, so you give it a name, dashboard. All right. So we don't need the grid line because we want to build a dashboard. We don't need the grid line. So you go to the view tab. So you uncheck the box grid line. You uncheck grid line. All right. So let's bring in our shape. Let's bring in our shape. So we need to give our dashboard a title of our dashboard. So you go to insert. So you need to click on where you have shape. So you can pick, let's go with the square, right? So just click and drag. All right, so let's reduce it. Let's reduce a little bit. Are we all are following? Hello.
Yes,
Okay, so let's reduce it again. Let's reduce it again from the bottom. from the bottom. No, from the bottom this time, not from the edge, from the bottom. Yes, from there. So take it up. All right. So bring it down a little. I mean, from the bottom a little. From the bottom, bring it down from the bottom. No, I mean, yes, okay, it's okay, it's okay. So let's move it towards to the right. Sorry, to the left. Let's move it to the left. Again, to the left. Out a little bit. All right. So let's change this color to. So let's change this color to white. So let's add some design to our shape. So you click on the shape effects, preset, the first one, preset. Okay, let's move to the second one, shadow. All right, middle, the one in the middle. The second one, the one down. All right, that one is okay. Let's go with that. Okay. All right. So let's give a name in our dashboard. So you need to bring in the chat box. Yeah. So click on. So let's just click anywhere in the sheet. Click anywhere there. Okay. So come back to that. So go to insert. Let's click on insert. So go to where you have text. Go to the text. After comment text. So click on it. So just click and drag.
I already did click on it.
Right, just the way you did the shape, just do the same thing with the text. Just click and drag, a shape will come out. All right, yeah, that's what I mean. So type something inside. Let's give it a name. Let's give it Adidas dashboard, US Adidas dashboard. All right, so adjust it from the left. Sorry, from the right. From the right. So let's move it to where we have the shape. Let's move it to the shape. So move your cursor to the edge of the okay, right. Okay, hold on. Okay, hold on. Let's do some formatting. Let's do some formatting. Click on it. Click on it. Click on shape format. Have you click on shape format?
I just did.
Okay. Let me zoom in so I can see clearly. Okay, so go to where you have the text field. Sorry, not that. Go to where you have the shape field. You say no field. Then the shape outline. no outline. So let's take it to where we have our shape.
You mean I should drag it into the shape box?
Yes, yes, please. Yes, please. So we can do some formatting. You can make it the text bolder. So let's highlight on the text and make it a little bit bold and change the font size. So let's try 20. If 20 is too big. All right, 20. Let's take 24. Okay, let's go with 20. Okay. So click on the text. Click. So go to alignment. Go to alignment. Align in the center. So the up alignment should be in the center to the up one. Okay, so click on the text on the chat box again. On the chat, click on the, yeah, so bring it down. So from the up, down. So let's bring the shape down. No, not the text, the shape. So click on it again. So bring the shape down. No, not that one, not that one. The text shape from the up, from the top.
Okay, I'm kind of lost. I'm sorry. This
Okay.
one or this one?
No, the one I'm currently clicking now. No, the text where you have the way you have the dashboard.
Okay, this one.
No, where you have the dashboard right up, the dashboard right up.
Okay, so where should I move it to?
So I want you to adjust in such a way that it's going to fit into the shape. So don't highlight it, don't highlight it, don't highlight it. So just click on it. So click on the middle, the circle icon in the middle at the right.
Okay, not this one.
No. On the shape, where you have the up, the first icon, the circle icon, the circle, something like a circle.
This one.
Okay, let's adjust from the, yes, but let's use from the,
Okay, you
let's use
want
it
me
from
to
the
drag
right.
it?
Yes. No, drag it towards the left.
Okay, I got it.
No, from the right, drag it to the left from the right.
Here.
No, that's not what I mean. Sorry. I mean,
Here.
yes. No, inside, towards to the left. Oh, I'm right. Okay, drag it inside. If that will be better. Yes. Let's adjust it out again. Let's adjust it out again. All right, so let's move it to the shape. Let's move it to the shape. Okay.
I think you need to centralize that text so, before you
It's
move it to the
centralized. It's
you have to
centralized.
bring out the shape, then you centralize it before moving into the shape.
So let's do the text thing again. I think that's the problem. So let's
Yeah, bring
Okay.
out the text, centralize, then move it to the shape.
All right, so let's rework the text again. Bring it out.
Centralize, highlight.
Is that right? Okay, let's bring out the text again.
Okay. Now,
Okay, so I liked it. So let's change the font size only. The text is okay. So let's change the size to, let's keep it at 20. So
and I
let's move it. So
No,
let's format it.
centralize it. Centralize it first.
so I should centralize it now.
Yes, centralize this text. Then you can adjust it, then it will fit in. If not, you have that same issue. Then you can adjust this too.
Yes. The issue earlier was that I spaced it instead of centralizing it first. That was why.
Then you
Okay,
can
that's
reduce
true.
the size of that box and everything.
So click, hold on. So click on the box again, the chart. This, click on it. So let's go to format. Click on shape format. So shape fill, no fill, outline, no outline. So drag it to the inside the shape. Let's move inside the shape. So let's adjust it from the way we did the first time.
Mhm.
Yes, perfect. Okay. All right. Okay. Well, one more thing. Sorry. Bring out the text. Bring out the text. Bring out the text. So let's copy this shape. Click on the shape. Click on the shape and drag it. No, the shape, the one we have with the green border, with the green border. Can you click and drag? No, control, click control. No. Click on it. Then click on control key. Click control on your keyboard. Then click on the shape and drag it down.
Please repeat it. Control what?
Okay. All right. Just do control C and control V.
Control C, Control V. Okay.
All right. So bring it out. Bring it down. Okay. So let's keep it there. So let's move the US Adidas dashboard to in. We have the shape up. The shape up.
You asked me to move it to the up box.
Yes, please. All right. So that is done. So the next thing we are going to bring in is so let's go back to the analyze. Let me see the next chart we're going to start building before it's 10:30. So let me go back. Let's go back to analyze. So let me see your chart, please. Okay. With the last product. So let me go back. Let's check the business case. Okay, all right. Okay, so let's go back to the dashboard. So let's go back to the dashboard. So now let's make this shape in form of a square. The shape down, the shape down. Hello, can you hear me? So let's make it, yes, okay. So from the right, move the box, the chart, the shape inside from the right. To reduce it a little bit, it's too big. Continue going. Continue. All right, so from the bottom, you move it up. Okay, so let's move it. So move it to the way you have the under the dashboard, where you have the dashboard heading. Move it under there. All right. So Control C, Control V. If it's to be, I'm going to reduce it back. All right, so let's keep it somewhere in there. So one box is going to be for revenue, one box is going to be for product, one box is going to be for retailer, and one box is going to be for cities. So how many boxes is that? Is it up to 5?
You want me to copy and paste in 5 places?
Yes, yes, yes. So one box for revenue, so we have that. So the next box is going to be for product, so for retailers is okay. So the next box is going to be for retailers. So the next box is going to be for retailers. So let's start with this. So after we have the first box for revenue. So let's go to the second box and align it very well. The second box. So that's going to be for retailers. Okay. So we've done that. So now the next thing we are going to do now, we need to click on the US Adidas. So click on it and copy it. Just click on that line. Click on the line. Have you seen that line? Yes, Control C, Control V.
Oh, you want me to copy everything?
Yes, you've done that. You've done that. So
Okay.
so bring it down. Yes. So copy it one more time. Okay. So let's rename it to revenue. Rename it to revenue. All right. So you move it to where you have the first box. The first box is revenue. So you move it there. Okay. So okay, let's copy. Okay, let's copy that one. Let's leave this Adidas dashboard. Let's copy from the revenue. Let's copy from the revenue. You've done that. So to the next box and give it units sold. Units sold. Okay, so the next is going to be retailers. Okay, so the next is going to be product density.
Product selling city.
No, it's product.
Okay.
Product. So you move it to the next box. All right, so before we continue, let's quickly copy one box. So the last box, let's Control V. Let's copy the last box because you're going to make use of it. Okay. All right, so let's give that city. Okay. So the last box you just copied. So bring the last box you just copied. So keep it under revenue. All right, a little bit down.
Is that good
Okay.
enough?
Yes, it's okay. So adjust the box.
I should adjust it like this.
Yes, adjust, continue. Continue is okay. So from the bottom, you drag it down. Continue. Okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. So let's bring in one chart. So let's go back to your analyze. So let me show your chart. Can you zoom out? It's okay. It's okay. Okay. So let's move the first one, which is best. The one with the gold color. What's that? Best retailer chart. Best retailer. Yes. So click on it. Control C. So let's go to our analyze.
Analyze a dashboard.
Sorry, dashboard. So Control V. All right, so we need to yeah, the chart is clustered. So we need to, first of all, we need to sort this chart. So let's go back to your analyze. So let's go back to the pivot table for this chart. The pivot table for this chart. So click on it. No, don't highlight it. Yes. No, where you have the values, where you have the values. All right, so right click. So come down to where you have sort. Largest to smallest. Okay, so no, let's try someone else. You can also keep it like this, but I don't like this large to smallest. So let's try smallest to largest. Okay, so we've done that. So let's go back to our dashboard. It's going to reflect on the dashboard.
Okay. Okay.
So click on the plus like icon, in the dashboard. So click on the axis. No, the icon. No, check it back. Right, click on the icon. Yeah. Horizontal axis, uncheck it. Okay. Then the unit sold. Come and leave it. Come and click on it, then delete it. The same thing with retailers. Okay. Then you can as well give it a title. So adjust the chart. Adjust the chart. Move it inside the box. No. Outside a little bit. Perfect. So let's remove the title. You don't need the title. Okay, so you're going to now quickly format this chart the same way we did for the text we did. So go to format. No, not there. Go to format. Shape field, no field. Shape outline, no outline. Okay. So let's bring the chart down. Okay. So now copy. Let's copy this US Adidas set. Let's copy it.
The box or the word?
The box, the box.
Done.
Okay, so move it to where you have the chart, the retailers chart. Okay, paste it there. So the question was best retailers, right? Was that the question?
Yes.
Okay. So you can write best retailers. Okay. All right. So let's adjust the box, not this one, the shape with the green border. So let's shift it inside. All right. So let's copy that. No, not that. The shape with the green border. Yes, that one. So let's remove the US Adidas dashboard. The writing here, bring it down. Okay. So let's bring in some other charts. Let's look for seat setting. Let's check the chart again. Okay. Also, let's bring in. So let's bring in this one you did with the green color. Yes. So the same procedure you did for the retailers, you can do the same for products. So you need to sort it.
Done.
Okay, so the same everything we did for retailers, repeat the same procedure for products.
I think that's all.
Okay, so I think one more thing is format. You need to format.
Something is off. Okay, what next?
Okay. All right. The question was top 5 cities, right? Okay, so you can give it a title like top 5
Top
cities.
5 best-selling products. This
I didn't
one's are
get
the
you.
products. It's the top 5 products, selling products.
Okay, that's product. Sorry. Okay, so let's give it a title. Top 5 best-selling products. Okay, so bring it up, no. Control Z quickly. Okay, so copy the chat box again, the chat. Let's copy it. So you created a new shape, so it won't fit in there. Not that one. No, not that, not that. The top 5 best-selling city. Click on it, then Control C, Control V. Yeah. So now move it to the charts. Okay. So now let's copy let's copy the shape. The shape, yes. Control C, Control V. So bring it down. Okay. So the next question is, what's the next question there? Sorry, let's go to analyze and pick. I think we have 2 more charts left. So let's pick the bar chart. No, not the line chart. Let's pick the column chart. So let's quickly do the same procedure you did for the 2 charts. So you can do the same for here for this. No. We need that. Check it back. We need that. We need that. We need that. We need the x-axis. We need it. So check back the box. We need it.
The horizontal.
Yes.
So I
So
uncheck. I should check the vertical.
yes. Because you have it already. You have the data labels already.
Okay.
So uncheck that. You don't need that. Oh, okay, you know did that. So
Did I do the right thing?
yes, you're on the right track. So the title. No, you need to click on and go to format.
Please, what am I formatting again?
Okay. Shape field, no field.
Yeah, I clicked no field.
Okay.
Then
The
the shape
outline, no
no.
outline. So we don't need the title. So let's move it inside the box. Okay, let's adjust it a little bit. They're not perfect. They're not perfect. They're not perfect. Okay, all right. No, they're not perfect. Let's adjust a little bit. Okay. All right. So let's bring it down. Let's bring it down. The chart. Bring it down a little bit. Okay.
What title am I giving it?
This should be products, right? Let me zoom in so I can see.
I think this is for
Okay.
these are for cities.
Yes, best performing city. Yeah, top 5.
Top 5 earning cities.
Yes, yeah, or rather you can say top 5 best performing cities or top 5 earning cities or top 5 cities with the highest revenue. So let's quickly sort our top 5 product cities. So let's quickly sort it. So let's go back to our analyze and sort it. So you click on the pivot table for that chart. So you right click, you sort largest to smallest or smallest to largest. Okay, so this is perfect. So it's going to reflect on the dashboard. So click on the dashboard so you can see it there. So let's copy that shape one more time. So we are almost done. All right, so let's bring in our pie chart. No, we need the legend, but we don't need the title. So let's quickly sort. The pie chart is not well arranged. So let's sort it smallest to highest. Sorry, highest to smallest. Okay. So let's go back to our dashboard. So we have that. So so pie chart is always in a percentage. Either your pie chart or your bar chart is a percentage of an old. So you click on the click on that plus icon. Okay, rather click on yes, more options. Okay, all right. So it's supposed to be percentage. So you click on percentage, check the box percentage. All right. So let's uncheck values. Yes. All right. So it's okay like this. It's okay like so. You can as well format the font if you want. As well format the font. And then click in the middle of the chart. In the middle of that. Okay. Continue. Click in the middle of the chart where you have the line. Click on it. Control 1. So we click on that field icon. That field where you have the field icon. No, just click on it. Click on it. No, hold on. Click on it again. So come to where you have this field icon, where you have format field point, data point. At the right. Where you have format data point at the right. Have you seen it?
I'm sorry,
Hello.
I can't see it. Format.
Just come to the right where you have angle of first slice. One explosion. Have you seen it?
Okay, I can't say. Mm-mm.
Oh,
This
all right.
one,
So move,
this
move, move
one,
your
this
cursor
one.
to the right. Move your cursor. Yes, go up. Go up. Where you have that fill icon, the fill icon. Yes.
This one.
Yes. Yes. That one.
I should just click on this one.
Just click on it.
I already
So
did.
click on border. You say no line. All right. Have you done that?
Yes, but the line is still there.
Okay. All right. So click on it again. Say field. Border no line. Yeah. Border no border no line. Yeah. There's no line now. There's no line now. So now this one is going to be customers method of payment, preferred method of payment also.
This one, this is the chart for the outlet, like
Yeah, yeah.
did they buy it in store? Did they buy it outlet? Method of payment.
So yes, this is method of
Method
payment. So
of
you can
purchase.
method of purchase.
It's not because this is not paying. This is them. Did they come to the store to buy it? Did they order
Oh,
from online?
yes, 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 yes. Purchase. Yes, you're right. So we are left with one chart and then the values. Then slicer we are done. So we'll be done by 11 o'clock. I think we should be done by 11. So let's quickly finish this. So Lawan, please, you copy the shape again. No, not that one. Yes, bring it down.
Done.
Okay, so adjust it, adjust the shape to the last. Let it be the same line with the shape, with the bar chart, with the pie chart shape.
It is on the same line with it.
No, not that, sorry. Bring down this method of purchase. Okay. So click on that shape you just copied, the shape you just copied. So adjust it. Yes, adjust it again. So you want to keep our line chart there. All right. So let's quickly bring in our line chart.
Again, I don't know if this line chart is correct. It's not looking exactly like the one you plotted, but it's the same. It's giving the same figures and everything, though.
Is correct. Is correct.
Okay.
Is correct. Is correct. So quickly, the same procedure we did for the chart, do same for the line chart. No. We need that. We need that. We need that axis. We need that values.
So I should leave only the revenue.
Yes, remove the revenue. Remove the revenue.
Okay. So what am I leaving?
We need the axis values. Yes, we need that.
Okay.
So the sales trend, okay, sales trend is okay. It's okay, it's perfect. Or okay, that's a title. So remove it and use the chart to give it a name. So let's adjust the chart to. So click on the chart. Okay, yes, perfect. Then bring it down. All right, okay. All right, all right. So give it a name, sales trend. 2020 to 2021 sales trend. So you need to copy that because it wants to go under, yeah. All right. Okay, so we are at the last stage. So let's go up. Okay, move, copy. Okay, all right. Okay, now. So revenue. So revenue. So go up, go up, go up. Yeah. So your KPIs, revenue. Click on the revenue. Click on the revenue.
I just
No, the
did.
text. The text, not the shape, sorry.
Okay.
So copy it, copy the box, just the as you did for other title, yes. Okay, so delete it, delete the revenue. No, the text, sorry, so I'm confusing you, sorry about that. So click on that line. Have you seen the line up? Yes, click on it. Just click on it. Then, no, click on the line. Click on the line. Click on that shape line so you can, yes, click on it. No,
I'm
you haven't
sorry.
clicked on it.
When you say the line, which of the line? Here?
Yes, that one.
The box line.
Yes, sorry, the box line. Then click on your formula bar. Click on your formula bar. No, the formula bar, not the formula tab, the formula bar. Have you seen the formula bar? The formula bar where you have the formula bar, come down. Yes, click on that and just click there. That's the formula bar. And then let's go back. Just click on the formula bar. The formula bar.
I'm sorry, I'm lost. Which
Okay.
one? Which
Okay.
one?
Hold on. Click on the shape line, on that box line. Click on that line. The text, the box, yeah, click on it. Then click inside the formula bar, Yes, click inside there. All right, so click on your analyze. Click on analyze.
Sorry. When you say click on analyze, do you mean the analysis sheet?
Yes.
Okay.
Sorry, analysis, sorry. So let's go to where you have the revenue.
These are the revenue.
No, the revenue. I'm the revenue, just the
This one.
numbers.
The sum of the revenues.
Yes. Did
This
you call
is
it out?
Yeah, this is it.
Yes, click on it. Click on enter. Have you clicked on enter?
Yes, it went to the next.
Okay.
So
You haven't done it perfectly well. So let's go back again. Let's go back to dashboard. So click on the formula bar. Click on it, then click on the formula bar. Inside the formula bar. Then click on an analysis. Then click on that where you have your revenue. Click on it.
So when you say revenue, is it the figure?
No. This yeah, the figure, the one down. The
This
one you
one?
got out. Yes, that one.
Okay. I just did.
No, you're not doing it correctly. So let's go back to our dashboard again.
I'm on the dashboard.
Okay, click on that dashboard shape. Click on that shape, that line, those lines. Click on it.
I
Then
just did.
okay. Then click inside the formula bar. Click inside the formula bar.
Okay, done.
Then click on analysis.
Done. Then I click on this.
Yes.
I just did.
You have click on it.
Yeah, I just did.
No. You're not to click on that. You have to click on A118. So
Yeah,
let's go
that's
back.
the time I clicked.
Let's do this again. I think there's an error somewhere.
Okay, let me just delete this box. Okay, deleted. You asked me to copy this box, revenue box.
Yeah.
And I brought it out. You asked me to clear the text. Done.
Then click, yeah, just click on that. Yes, the line.
Done.
Then click inside the formula bar.
Done.
Then click on an analysis.
Then I click on A118.
Yes.
Done.
Click on enter. Let me see.
Nothing is coming.
Well, I think there's an error somewhere. I'll fix this in our next class. I think there's an error somewhere. So you should have, we need to call it out with that formula. That's how to call it out. I don't know why it's not popping up. Okay, let's try creating a new shape. Let's try creating a new shape. That's what is left. So let's go back to our dashboard.
Draw.
So
I should draw a new
no,
shape.
yes, text box. Okay, so click inside the formula bar now.
Yeah.
So go to an analysis. So click on that cell A118.
Just it.
It's still the same thing. Click on enter. Let me see.
It's not bringing anything.
Okay. Wow. Okay, click on that sum of revenue. Let me see. Click on it. I think there's an error somewhere. No, the second one. The second one. Yeah, you should have popped something out now. What's going on? Okay, let's try with retailers. So let's try with retailers and see, so I can know where the issue is coming from. So let's go back to our dashboard.
Retailers.
So click inside the formula bar.
Done.
So click on analysis.
Done.
So let's look for where do you have the revenue, sorry, the retailers and the products.
The retailers, that's Amazon.
Yes. Like go up. I've seen it. Go
This
up.
is it. Number one.
Go up. No. The count. Go up.
This one.
Go up. Yes, that one. Yes. Okay. Let's stay here and we'll check what the issue is. Let's insert the shape from here. I want to observe something. Let's insert the shape from here. The text box from here.
I just inserted the export.
So click on that line. Yes. Click on the line.
Done.
Yes. So click inside the formula bar. Then come and click on where you have the 6. Let me observe something. Click on enter. Oh God, this is serious.
No, returning.
Okay, okay. All right, I'll fix this in our next class because it's this kind of strange. I'll fix this in our next class. So Control save your work, Control S. Have you Control S your work?
Yes, sir. I just did.
All right. Okay, so we will stop here for now because I'm just seeing this, I'm just experiencing this for the first time. So continue them in our next class. So any question, Chisoba, Benita, Joseph?
No,
Okay, all right,
not really for now.
okay. So we'll continue from in our next class. So in our next class, please,
No question, actually.
so we'll continue from in our next class. So by Wednesday, we are going to complete our dashboard by just inserting those values, our revenue, units sold, and the rest. So on Wednesday, we also download our SQL and learn how to use SQL. I'm going to drop the material in the Google Classroom. I'll give it to Mr. Toby to do that. So you get your material by tomorrow, your SQL material by tomorrow. So by Wednesday, you're going to download our SQL and start writing our query from Wednesday. So if you have any question, you can drop in the Google Classroom and your question will be attended to. So thank you for your time. Have a good night rest.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Lawan. Thank you for your time.
You're welcome.